Got some fresh new economic data out this morning, and it's giving us a clearer picture of the effect President Trump's tariffs are having on wholesalers. Right now, you're looking at the Dow Jones this morning. It seems to be pulling back 130 points or so. The producer price index fell 0.5% in the month of April. Now, it rose 2.4% on an annual basis, which actually beat Wall Street's expectations. But what does that all mean? Let's bring in Megan Leonhardt now. She's a senior writer for Barron's and can help break down what it all means. Good morning to you. I know that there's some tough information being released by Walmart as well. So give us a reality check on how things are out there for people.
The reality is that tariffs are really complicating the picture. It was interesting. We did actually, as you pointed out, see a decline in wholesale prices. It was actually the largest monthly decline in producer prices since the onset of the pandemic 5 years ago. So that was very notable. But once you start looking under the hood of that data release, it's really interesting because it actually was signaling tariff pressures are really being fed through in the very early stages, and prices are expected to start to rebound. Now, it's interesting because when it comes to the PPI, the producer price index, we really kind of pair that with the consumer price index to try to estimate what we're going to see in the Fed's inflation gauge. And this morning's numbers do actually show that we're going to get another soft month of the Fed's inflation gauge at the end of the month that's coming out. And, that's good news. It means that cooling pricing pressures were part of the trend before, of course, the sort of onset of these higher tariffs. And of course, this is something that everyone is watching very closely. We saw this was a big product of, a big topic of concern at Walmart's earnings this morning. And Walmart was really quite, succinct in their talking points here. They did obviously very well on the quarter, and their guidance for the year is firmly in place. But they were very clear. Higher tariffs are going to mean higher prices. Now, it is interesting. Walmart really did try to break it down and say that they're really trying to preserve food prices in particular and trying not to put a ton of upward pressure there. But it is something that shoppers and everyday Americans really do need to be concerned about over the next couple months. As I said, we haven't seen a ton of tariffs and the effects of tariffs really moving into prices yet, but that doesn't mean that it's not coming. And even though we've had some, trade negotiations that have lowered effective tariff rates, particularly with regards to China, unfortunately, it's not enough to really staunch the higher prices that we're expected to see later this year.
Yeah, this is the largest retailer in the country. So many folks watching are near a Walmart or rely on a Walmart for their day-to-day items. So it's a very big deal. Megan Leonhardt, thanks for joining us today and talking about this. Appreciate it.
Thanks so much.